Amy, let's start with you. Welcome to the call.
Thank you. Hi, John. Hi, Stephanie.
Hi.
Stephanie, I after the last time you were on this show, I had a special session with you. I took advantage of the offer. It was amazing. And you were able to let me hear from my mom before she died. And I am forever grateful. And I just want to tell you, I'm so sorry about the passing of your dad. Um, I unfortunately know how that feels now. So thank you. Um, Today's question, though, is quite different. I've had a 6 month sabbatical since closing down my startup. It's been glorious, and now I'm considering where I'm going to put my career energy and service energy next. I have a lot of different directions I might go, so I'm looking for guidance from my guides on what might be unfolding for me from in my career bucket.
Okay, perfect, Amy. Let's tune into your guides around this. It is true. And what a wonderful problem to have, is it not? To have so many various paths that you have envisioned prior to taking birth in this lifetime, and that we have alongside you carefully laid out the trailheads for. So it's perfect. It's perfect, and it's beautiful, and it's well marked, and it's perfectly explained. If you can imagine yourself on this beautiful hike, reaching a point where there are 6 at minimum different directions you could take, and each trailhead, each pathway is labeled with a name of the path and its general purpose. And we are not just saying this for imagination's sake. We are actually wanting you to map this on paper. We are wanting you to channel this because we are seeing it and sharing it with you right now to offer you the clarity that you are seeking with regards to where you might direct and channel your energy first and foremost. And it is good to know that. So sit with your channeling state, sit in your meditative state, and envision yourself in the middle with these 6 paths. Give them each a name, or rather receive the name that each path holds. And then 1 to 2 sentences, certainly no more, and do not get caught up in the perfection of this, of what this path holds, what its ultimate purpose is, and what you hope to be able to accomplish or serve through the striking onto the path of in that direction. And then when you have this, when you feel complete enough with this, put it away. Do not give it another thought. We like how you determined that your sabbatical was a certain period of time. We love when you are adherent to a particular segment of time. And then you know what we do? That's right. We stretch time. And we are doing that right now for you. So while you might think that there is a deadline of sorts, or perhaps it is best for you to make an ultimate decision in a particular time frame, we would suggest the opposite. We would suggest that only make your decision with regards to where you will direct the majority of your attention, your time, and your resources when you feel wild of heart. That is what you are looking for, the feeling of being wild of heart. You felt it before, you'll feel it again. It's coming. Oh, I love being wild of heart.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
beautiful blessings to you.